Good morning and welcome to Brno, the second largest city in the Czech Republic. Today we're walking around the remnants of the old city walls and heading up to Špilberk Castle on the hill. Come along with us as we discover the unique sights of this fascinating city. Heading up to the church in a minute. First of all, we're going to check out the square just around this corner. So this is Capuchin Square, which is used as a fruit and vegetable market. Quite a cool fountain, sculpture fountain here. Hercules in the middle of it. I'm pretty sure that tower there with the clock on it might be the old town hall building, so we're going to go have a quick look there first. Oh, so we thought it might have been a separate building, but it's just part of all the other buildings. So that's the old town hall. It's got an amazing facade on the front, look at that. Sarah's spotted something interesting inside here. Something hanging down. A very large crocodile. I'm not sure why that's there. So the crocodile, we believe, is the Brno dragon. Found a little bit of a plaque with information on it about it. Right, and we're back out to the square and then we'll head up to by the church, I think. Just at the St. Peter and Paul Cathedral.
This is the organ in St. Peter and Paul Cathedral. It was built in 1909. It's got 6,000 pipes to it. It's amazing. I always feel we need to talk quietly in a church, don't you? Action.
Looks like you have to go part way up the tower before you get your tickets. The stairs are pretty narrow. We thought it opened at 12, but it seems it's already open. Could be quite a walk up there. Oh, it's not, you can't go right round it, it's just that little bit. Not sure I want to look over the edge, but we'll give it a go. Yeah, it's quite a long way down. Okay, so this leads to the other side. Oh wow, but you can see in the... Well, you might not be able to see that, but it's the interior of the roof of the church, the top part of it. Oh, an even smaller balcony. Crikey, do you want to stand on that? Wow. What a view. And then there's the castle up there on the hill. Right, one more shot looking at the stairwell, looking down. Right, so I'm zoomed in a lot here, but there's the top of the spire and the clock. There's the little balcony we're standing on the city side. Not a lot holding it up. So we found this entrance here that we believe is going to take us around some of the old city walls, and there's remnants of the old fortification. So you can see here there's some sort of built up piece and a cross. Church is back up over there, so we're going to carry on around this way. Not bad views out over the city here. It's pretty tagged and a bit of rubbish about. It's right by the train station. The main train station's just over there. It's quite a big city out there. I'm only really seeing the inner parts of it. You can see here the old rock sitting there, the walls built up on. Right, we'll keep walking, see what we find. Right, we've got no idea where we are now. We're just out in a place called Dominican Square, and there's a little courtyard pointing in on the map. It's very pretty. So this is the new town hall. Okay, this is the foot of the hill that the castle's on. Špilberk Park. So now we're trying to guess which way to go up. We think we're going to go left. This looks like the entrance through the immediate walls of the castle. I think we're just about at the top of the hill now. It's a pretty warm day again. We think this is the entrance to the castle courtyard area. You can go and have a look at the inner part of the castle for free, and then there's paid tours that open at 10 o'clock. So we're going to go check out the free bits first, and then there's a tower that opens that we can go up. It's not terribly expensive, so we think we might do that. Oh, that's a good view. Nice grassy kind of area to sit and enjoy a beer. There's a pub just over there, well, a bar that opens up later. And down here it looks like they're reenacting some old medieval thing. It's tents set up and people in costume. I feel like I'm spying on the encampment, but it's very interesting. Must be what they're doing on their Saturday. They've set up this reenactment camp. Okay, we're back in the city here, just following a circuit of the old city walls. It's brought us to this model of Brno in 1645. I'm guessing 1645 might have been when they suppressed the invasion of the Swedish people. I'll check that. We're reading something about that to do with the astronomical clock that's here. I'm wondering if that was in 1645. Cool sculpture of a horse. Nice church. It's got very tall legs. Alright, final thing for the morning, we're going down to see the astronomical clock, which is nothing like the one in Prague, but it has got a cool feature. Well, this is different. Sunday morning in Brno, and there's a whole lot of lounger chairs set up around the fountain today. See what the local people do on a Sunday. Oh, maybe it's because of the festival. Don't know. It's cool anyway. So the people are waiting for the glass ball to drop out of the clock again. And from what we can tell, they're different people to what were here yesterday, except for that man in the blue shirt over there with the bag. He's been here every time. So yeah, I don't know. Not sure why he's always here. Maybe he employs people to wait there for him, I don't know. It's 1 minute to 11. I really want to know what this man in the blue shirt on the left's doing. He got it.